total we will get 5 variables. Okay, they are ID, visit, SVP, DVP, and DT.
DT.
Yeah. So here, so now let's try to merge. SVP to by ID. Frequency, so we got the variable called CRT. So we got the data correctly. So the data merged correctly.
Yes.
Total this. Now can see that we have a note. Merge statement has more than one data set with repeats of by value. This note is not acceptable. So actually, many programmers will have the same issues for this note, that is merge note. So, so in these two data sets, simply suppose this DBP variable should create here, and this DBP value should merge in this data set, right?
Yes.
Yeah. For that, in this data set, we have three ID, three subjects. So in this, we have three subjects. So which DBP should merge to which observation?
100 to 101, 100, 101 first.
So we can say by seeing here, but without
Yes.
as it both data sets have duplicate values, so SAS was unable to merge these. So SAS was confused to which DBP value should merge to which observation. So for this confusion, we will get this note called merge note. We call this note as merge note. Merge statement has more than one data set with repeats of by value. Okay. So to remove this note, we have to give the data values as unique based on the by variables. So by the by variables, the data should be unique in any one of the data sets. Okay, by using only ID, if the data is unique in any one of the data sets,
No.
no, right? So we have to increase the by variables. So what how can we increase? So which variable can we give in the by data set in the by statement?
In DBV or SVP. SVP.
They are the result values. So
Okay.
we cannot give like that. Result values we
By
should not
DT.
include. So we should
By
include.
date.
So we should include the visit. We can include the visit.
Yes.
So visit means, so consider this was one date the subject visited. This was the visit number. So for visit 10, so for visit 10, the DBP and SBP values for like that we can give. So we cannot start by using the DBP values, right? So these are the result values.
Okay, sir.
So we should increase the by variables. So for that we can give the visit here. So while giving like this, our data should also sorted by these two variables. Okay, so both data sets should be sorted by the ID and visit. So here it was already in the ascending order, so there was no issue. So let's check here. Here for ID 10, so ID 101 and visit 10, we have one variable. We have only one observation. So here also for ID 101 and visit 10, we have only one observation. So no issues. And see here, still we have the merge it because you can see for second observation for ID 101 visit 20, we have two observations here. In this also we have two observations. Okay. So here also the same confuse. So which DBP value should merge to which observation here. So again the data is not unique based on the ID and visit. Okay,
Yes.
we have to increase the another one.
Date.
We have to give the date values.
Yes.
So if not, if we ignore this merge statement, so we should not ignore. Suppose if we ignore, our values will come only based on the, like, it will just copy these values and paste here. It will not do the match merging. Okay. So when we give here the by statement, so it will check. So for same ID, visit and date. So you can see here for 101, visit 10 and date 15th August. So if we have same values here, so for 101, visit 10 and 15th August, then only this 100 was merged to this observation. If anyone is, if any of these three variable values are changed, so this 100 was not merged to this observation. So do you understand? So here
Sir,
we
again, sir,
here,
once again.
here we given the three values ID, visit and DT. So it will, so let's take here first observation. So in this ID, visit and date. So it should match these three observation values, that is 101, 10 and 15th August. 101, 10, 15th August. So here these three values are matched. So only when these three values are matched, then only this 100 was merged here to this first observation. Else it was not merged here. Okay.
Yes, sir. Got it.
So let's open. Can see by increasing the variable dt. Let's check here. You can see here the merge note was not came for this data because by these three variables the data is unique. Can see here. Now we got the measured it correctly. We got the data correctly. Suppose let's think here we have the data of 19th August. So here the three values are not matched here for the first observation. Okay. 101, 10 and 15th August. Here we have 101, 10 and 19th August. So it will match only when the values have 101, 10 and 19th August. In this both three, do you have any values like that? 101 till 10, visit 10 and 19th August? No, right? Then for this observation, we will get the DT value, we will get the DBP value as missing, and for this observation, we will get the SBP value as missing. So new observation was created here. So if I run the data set, previously we have 10 observations. Now you can see we have 11 observations. Can see here. Here the SBP value is missed. Here the DBP value is missed because the values are not same for this to measure the DBP value. Okay, do you understand this?
Yes.
So means our data should be unique based on the key variables. It is ID, visit, and DT. So, so what if we have the same details in the both observations field? So if we give all key variables also, still we will get the merge node because we have the duplicate values even for ID, visit, and DT. You can see here we got the merge node because here we have 101, 10th, and 15th August. Here also we have 101, 10th, 15th August, 101, 10th August, 101, 10th, 15th August. So in these cases, what can we do? Either we have to delete the observation. So we do not have permission to delete the observation in the data. So we have to ask the statistician and we have to move forward based on the statistician. Okay. So sometimes we may also create the sequence variable for this. Okay. And in the by variable, we may give that sequence variable there. Any doubts in this?
Sir, again, sir, if sequence given, it will remove the duplicate or it will not remove the
It
duplicate.
will not remove the duplicate. So let's say if we given a sequence, you see these both are same here, right? It will
Yes.
it will give the number as in the new variable. We here we get the new variable as SQ. Here in the SQ we will get the value as 1 and 2. Now these both values are different. No? Simply we give this sequence in the by statement. So obviously these two observations will not continuous duplicates. These are two different. Then it will get these two observations as a unique observation based on the sequence number, right?
Yes.
Do you understand this?
Yes.
Yeah. And do you understand why we should give only this ID, visit, and data, and why should not we give the SBP values?
Sir, again, sir, question.
So here, why should not we give this DBP or SBP as a key variable? Do you understand that?
Yes, yes, sir, result value. So that's why it's not.
They are the result values. So suppose let's think there is a two hospitals called A and B. So for patient, we have for SBP, we have done in A hospital. And for DBP, we have done in the B hospital. Right? That's good. and we also have a date variable. That is, these both tests are done on 15th August. Okay, so these two are present in two separate data sets. Now we have to merge this. Okay, merge in this, like merge, we have to merge only in one observation. Then if we include this data, suppose if we have multiple cells for the subjects, suppose these are the days we took the SBP and DBP values. So just think these are both are present in two different data sets. We have to merge like this correctly. So we if we gave the SBP or DBP in the by statement, so it will sort based on the SBP or DBP, right? So if we suppose if we sort this, what happens? So suppose this thing in the last test we have the value as 95. So when we sort by variable is nothing but we have the data should also sorted like this. So defaultly this 95 value will come here and 100 value will come here. So now the data will merge like this. So on 15th August, what is the DBP value that originally collected? The originally collected the DBP value was 100, but we measured here 95 because we are given in the by statement the DBP value. So we merge the wrong data wrongly, right? We have to consider only the visit number or date or subject ID. Like that, we can give in the by statements. These result values should not give in the by statement. I hope you got a clear picture on this.
Yes, sir.
So any doubts? That's all
No,
about
I don't have.
that's all about the
Yes, sir.
data.
No doubt.
Let's start.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no doubts.
No, sir.
So do you done that programming called in-date imputation?
Sir?
In-date imputation.
That one, sir. That February,
Yeah.
that is not come.
Should you need to
That one.
do you need some time to try or should I explain now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, I need to try, sir.
You will try.
I will try again.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
you can try. If not, I will explain the next session.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Any doubts? Or can I end the meeting?
Sir. Athar, if he has doubt, then he can ask. Sir.
No, I have. Okay. Can I end the meeting?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.